good morning, and happy Tuesday to everybody. Look, I have been so much enjoying the lesson that I've been studying, and we've been studying about the Exodus. Today's lesson, it's titled The Code of the Covenant. It's August the 24th, which is Sunday's edition. While studying this, I just want to share with you a lesson that I took out from this lesson. And my topic for today for you is laws reveal the lawgiver. You see, friends, in every culture, laws tells us something about the one who makes them. They reveal values, intentions, and character. Take Pharaoh, for example. In Exodus chapter 122, he ordered every Hebrew boy to be killed. That's one law reveals his cruelty, fear, and evil heart. On the other hand, imagine a king who decreed that every young man of his kingdom would receive every higher education. You see, immediately we'd recognize generosity, vision, and care for the people. See, friends, my point is this: laws reveal the lawgiver. And this is true of God. His laws are not random restrictions. They are windows into his character. See, friends, the Ten Commandments reveals his holiness and love. His care for the poor and stranger reveals his compassion. You see, friends, the Sabbath commandment reveals his desire for rest, relationship, and remembrance. In the book of Psalms 19, verse 7, it says the following: "The law of the Lord is perfect, converting the soul." See, friends, God's laws shows us who he is, which is loving, just, merciful, and holy. And even more, the law points us to Jesus, the one who fulfilled it perfectly and who offers his righteousness in place of our weakness. So here's the challenge. What do the laws of your own life reveal about your character? What you value, how you spend your time, or how you treat others? It all tells a story. See, Pharaoh's law revealed cruelty, but God's law reveals love. The question I want to put with you today is this: what do your choices reveal about you? God bless.